All right. So I just mentioned previously about affirmations. Have you guys tried that, and what's your thoughts on that? Because we've all seen the clips, sometimes of people like, they say, I am this, I am wealthy, I am wise, you repeat it in the mirror. Have you guys tried this? What are your thoughts on that?
Everybody has affirmations. Some are positive, some are negative. Ultimately, I feel like an affirmation is the thing that you're repeating in your head over and over and over again.
Whether you know it or not.
You are having it subconsciously if you don't know.
Yeah.
So you should be aware of what these affirmations are and try to be in control of them. But we all have them.
True. The thoughts go on in our heads. Is that something you've done, Luke?
Affirmation comes from the word affirm, which comes from the word to establish, a firm foundation. So affirmation is the foundation of your identity, and you decide what you want to affirm it to be. So upon this firmament, you're going to build your entire identity. So like you said, it's both affirming. You can affirm anything you want. You are the molder of your own mind. So I agree with you. The affirmations are not just a positive or a mantra. It's how do you speak to who you are as a person? How do you perceive yourself to be?
Right.
And I think that is where self-realization comes. It's perceiving that you are not your name. You're not your religion. You're not what other people say about you in the comment section. You're not what your parents believe that you are. You're not what your friends tell you that you are. You're not what you've told yourself that you are.
You're not your thoughts.
You are so much more. But everybody's like, who am I? Well, first name, last name, color.
I'm from here. I like these things.
Those are things about you, but that is not you. Who are you? And people haven't even asked that. So once you identify who you are, which is limitless, then the game begins. Like I said it again.
Yeah, right. That was pretty well put. And the thing is, I'm asking these questions here because you guys, both in your 20s, have made, tens of millions of dollars, super wealthy, and a lot of people watching this strive to reach that kind of wealth at such a young age. So, and like you said right now, millions of people, they never analyze themselves. Mentally, they're mechanical products of the factory of I actually wrote this down for this podcast because it's similar to what you're saying. Mentally, they are mechanical products of the factory of their environment, preoccupied with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, working and sleeping, going here and going there to be entertained. They don't know what or why they are seeking, nor why they never realize complete happiness and lasting satisfaction. By evading the self-analysis that you're talking about, people go on to be robots conditioned by their environment. True self-analysis is the greatest art of progress. It's very much like what you just said right now.